The Trench family members make a plan to enjoying swimming together. First day enjoying swimming, then they will make a plan to playing challenging basketball fun game. And Reza and JP playing this challenging fun game, and they playing basketball game together, and finally Reza win this game with JP. Then Reza playing the game with Zacchaeus, and Zacchaeus win this game, and Reza going to jumping in pool and swimming because it's a part of game. And then they will going into sleep in their room, and suddenly JP and Zacchaeus comes to swimming at 3 a.m. Then suddenly Zacchaeus see a ghost on their window, and he looks so scary, and JP and Zacchaeus running very fast, and they will comes into their room and telling to Reza we see a ghost, and they all are look so scary.